In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52s, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this phone. So firstly, you need to enroll the list of all apps and reach settings, then find and pick about phone and go to software info. Now tap 7 times on build number, draw your unlock pattern, go back, and here you will find developer options. Tap to open, scroll a bit lower, and demo mode will appear right in front of you. Click on it, and to enable it, just use this first switcher, and if you'd like to make it visible as well, just tap on show demo mode. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can reach demo mode. Whenever you'd like to turn it off, just unmark this first switcher, and that's it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.